How to share your screen on Facebook Messenger on PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on Facebook Messenger on PC. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in messenger.com. Once you've entered this keyword, press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Messenger. Here ensure that you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will need to select the chat icon from the left top, and once selected, here now open your friend's chat, and then once you open the chat page, at the top right, you will be able to see the video call icon. Click on it. Once after calling, here in this page, at the bottom, you'll be able to see various icons. At the left side, you'll be able to see this screen icon that says share your screen. Click on this icon and then you will be presented with this pop-up. Here, you will need to choose what you'd like to share, whether your Chrome tab, window or the entire screen. You can choose based on your preference. Once you select it, click on the share button at the bottom right to start sharing. You can see currently you are sharing your screen. After sharing, if you would like to stop it, you will be able to look at the stop sharing button at the top left. Here, click on this option and then you will see you have successfully stopped sharing your screen. So by following these steps, you should be able to share your screen on Facebook Messenger on your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.